pouring down all over me. I am standing up at the water's edge in my dream. I cannot make a single sound as you scream. It can't be that cold, the ground is still warm to touch. Hey, we touch, this place is so quiet.
This is where it begins and where it ends. Acid rain is first collected by the clouds. It is then precipitated in a rain, snow, or sleet form. The acid rain then flows down rivers and canals from the mountains all the way back out to the ocean in one large cycle. Acid rain can even sometimes get into our water drinking supply.
Go.
Acid rain contains high levels of acid-forming chemicals. These chemicals come from coal smoke, chemical manufacturing, and smelting that have been released into our atmosphere. In our experiment, we decided to find out what changes happen to aquatic plants after being subjected to acid rain. Let's go take a look.
Gathered all of our materials. We measure 1 gallon of distilled water.
1 gallon of water is approximately 3,785 milliliters. Once we've measured the gallon of water, we put it into the medium-sized container and then we put in the plant.
Then we measure out 400 milliliters of sulfuric acid, because that's how much will fit in our spray bottle. We will spray the sulfuric acid into our graduated cylinder 4 times to measure how much sulfuric acid is in 4 sprays.
It is approximately 3 milliliters. This is when we're going to measure how many milliliters is in 4 sprays. It is approximately 4 milliliters.
Now we will place the elota plant into the bucket of distilled water. Close the lid. We'll spray the container 4 times, 3 times a day, once in the morning, once at noon, and once in the afternoon.
Up until the 48 hours are up.
Make sure the pH stick is always clean before you use it, and you also rinse it off after using it with a bottle of distilled water.
And then we are to test the pH. The pH is 7.4. And then we rinse it off again. Okay, so this is our experiment, and for the sake of time, we have already measured a gallon of water and put in the elota. So now we will measure 350 milliliters of sulfuric acid and put it into the spray bottle. We will be using a funnel because that would make it easier and not spill. Remember to use gloves. tightly secure it and close it. The plant 4 times, 3 times a day.
I know.
We will repeat it in the morning, at noon, and after school in the afternoon. In the experiment, we observed that the pH increased as time went by. Also, we noticed that the process of decomposition was slowed. Also, that the leaves turned a brownish color.